Stepping stone basics. The stepping stone is a nice addition to any yard or garden. Many people give stepping stones as personalized gifts to family and friends. There are several types of these and they all have one thing in common: the bottom is flat so that it can be placed securely on the ground. If you are placing them on grass, it is best to dig the grass out first so that the stones are level and will not slide. Premade. Stepping stones are available in home building supply stores, gardening supply stores and many discount stores. The most common is the round concrete stepping stone that is either smooth or has colored rocks in it. The square-shaped stones either in a smooth concrete finish or with colored rocks are also very popular. Slate tile. For an earthy feel to your stepping stones, you can buy slate tile squares. These are available in many coordinating colors to suit your taste and are sold at home building stores. The natural rock style of slate will complement your pathway as well as the landscape design in your yard. Concrete molds. Molds are created in many styles and patterns with intricate designs of angels, animals, mascots and scenery. These can be purchased in craft stores and also online. They are very simple to use and come in kits with the concrete mix included. You mix the concrete to the directions, fill the mold and let it cure, then pop the stepping stone out of the mold. Solar lights. Solar lighted stepping stones are a novel idea. They absorb the sunlight in the daytime and light up your pathways with a gentle glow so that you will have security in the dark. The solar panels are in the center of square slate stones and can be purchased at home decor stores and gardening stores. DIY. To make your own personalized stepping stones, you only need a few items that you can find around the house. Any round container with a flat bottom will make a good mold, or you can make any design desirable out of wood. Mix a bag of concrete to the directions and fill your mold, then add embellishments of your choice by gently pressing them into the concrete. Marbles, old costume jewelry, broken china or dishes and broken ceramic tile make nice decorations in your stepping stones. Adding concrete color will make the entire stone in a color of your choice. These make very memorable gifts because each is unique and handmade.